Next is oral presentation number 19 from Kansas City, Missouri. Kansas, Team 2, Mission 7 Flight Experiment with 6th and 7th grade student researchers.
Our experiment was to see if sunflower seeds would germinate in microgravity. Our team name is now as SSEP. This is an acronym for a letter in each of our names. When we first submitted the proposal, we were in 6th and 7th grade. Our school is Crossroads Academy of Kansas City. I am Saul Rodriguez, the principal investigator.
I'm Kevin Alvarez, the co-investigator.
I'm Jorge Ortiz. I am another one of the co-investigators.
I'm Kyla Westbrook Samuels, and I'm a collaborator.
My name is Nautica Wiggins, and I'm another one of the collaborators. Will sunflower seeds or helianthus annuus germinate in microgravity? We think that they will germinate in microgravity because they will have purified water to help them germinate. We will open the clamp for the water and the seeds to mix and shake for 10 seconds. We are doing this because sunflower seeds are healthy and can be a source of food. When the FME comes down from microgravity, we will see if the seeds have begun germination.
The question that we are asking is, will sunflowers germinate in microgravity? They are healthy because they control cell damage and play a role in preventing cancer, also have a good source of minerals and vitamin E, which contains bone-healthy minerals. We also chose sunflower seeds because each flower produces a large amount of seeds.
We're testing germination instead of full plant growth because the FME is too small for a full sunflower to grow. Growing plants in space will be useful because if the sunflower seeds germinate, then we will know that fruits and vegetables could germinate and possibly grow as well. Our experiment materials include a type 3 FME with our first volume, which will be 3.5 milliliters of purified water, our second volume, 6 sunflower seeds, third volume, 3 milliliters of 10% neutral buffered formalin.
14 days before undocking, clamp A will be opened and shaken, mixing the water and sunflower seeds. 2 days before undocking, clamp B will be opened and shaken, combining the NutriBuffer formalin with the sunflower seeds and water.
We chose to use 6 sunflower seeds in case any of them die before they get to the ISS, so we can still use the others to see if they will germinate. We chose purified water because that's what they use in the space station, and we chose not to include potting soil because sunflower seeds grew without it. And we will use 10% of NutriBuffer formalin because we need to fix it for stopping the plant growth and preserving it before leaving the ISS, so we can tell if it grew in microgravity instead of on Earth.
We're doing the same experiment on Earth because we want to compare if the sunflower will germinate more on Earth or in microgravity. The experiment done on Earth is called the ground truth experiment. This will allow gravity to become the independent variable. We recently completed an experiment to see if the sunflower seeds would germinate in the FME. We found out that they germinated both with and without potting soil. So we chose to omit the soil from the FME, allowing more space for water. We chose to open the clamp 2 weeks before the FME leaves the ISS because it takes about 5 days for the seeds to germinate. We want the seeds to have 2 weeks to germinate and the roots to grow.
We packaged 2 FMEs about a month ago following these procedures. We recorded the mass of the seeds on the table before placing them into the FME. Mass of the seeds before we put them in the FME was 0.1 grams. We will measure the grams of the seeds again when they return. Due to the launch failure on Sunday, our experiment has not been conducted. We hope to send it again in the future. After the FME returns to Earth, we will record, take measurements of the roots and mass of the seeds from both Earth and the FME on the ISS. We will record our observations on how big the roots got in millimeters and the mass of the seeds in grams on the tables.
We would like to thank all the organizations for helping make SSEP KC Mission 7 a reality. All participating schools, our school, Crossroads Academy of Kansas City, and sponsors.
Are there any questions?
My name is Raheem from Toronto, Canada. How do you think microgravity will affect the growth of your sunflower seeds?
We think that it will affect them by how the roots grow, because usually since we have gravity here on Earth, the roots will go down. And we think that since they will be going to microgravity, that the roots would just grow like anywhere out of the seed.
Hi, Eamon from Kansas City. Why did you decide to open the clamps so late into the experiment?
We chose to open them so late in the experiment because they need at least 2 weeks to grow.
Thank you.
Thank you.